This is a July 1 update. The dumpster is pretty much full. The reception area has been cleared out, so we'll be putting in a new reception desk. The museum introductory room is pretty much unchanged. The wall has been taken down. The new column will be put in at some point. And Clark Kent's office, of course, is still to be transformed. And the kitchen and dinette area. Things are looking pretty clean. Starting to take out the mechanical equipment closet because that machine will be gone. Of course, the bathroom is all going to get changed, and the storeroom still needs to have the carpet removed. This is going to be the tell your story room, and again, this is where the bathroom and laundry room will go. This is going to be the theater room, and this will be a new wall closing off my living quarters. Building starting to look kind of clean. Great to have this big space to celebrate NASA and Star Trek and Star Wars and all kinds of other fun stuff. It's coming along.